Information, Pulaski County has 2 deputies en route. They did not say coming from where. Yeah. That's interesting.
Well, like I say, I'm gonna try to get turned around at Riceville. They're on the Canadian side.
Cool.
Damn, you dumbass.
When the unit's responding, will somebody go down to Bingham in case 155 misses it? Going on alternate, right? 47 copy.
Units responding, I'm watching the camera. It is just now getting to the curve before Pratt. This traffic is braking pretty hard. And I do have a visual on it. It's still running the inside lane.
Turn out the right, except 4 passes, big second.
155's rolling up on it now. They're rolling roadblocks.
Good rock, I got him turned around. I got him turned around the right shoulder. What's going on here? Where are you going to?
Oh, my bathroom.
You what?
I'm in the bathroom. I've been here.
Like, what do you, I mean, like, where are you going to?
I was back here at.
How did you get the wrong way is what I'm trying to find out.
I was trying to get over here and they kept trying to run me off.
Where did you get on the road the wrong way?
I've been here all night.
On the side of the road?
Yes, all night.
Here, step out of the car. You on any type of medication or anything like that?
I was at home. From home.
Come on. Step right here.
And then you got in contact. And I think I don't know. They kind of trapped me out there.
Stay there for my girl. You got anything on you at all? All right, I'm gonna
pee really bad.
Well, can you hold just a minute?
Yes, sir.
All right. You don't have anything on you?
No, sir.
All right. Just pull up your shirt just a little bit. Anything around your waist?
No.
All right.
let's turn around.
Here, just stand right there on the shoulder for me. So where are you coming from?
I live in Pastor, Louisiana.
Okay.
I've lived here all my life.
There or here?
Pastor.
Okay.
I was coming home last night from I'd been in Colorado for 3 days, 4 days, and I was coming home, and I couldn't find the exit or whatever. But whenever I got to what's the name of that place, Pine Bluff,
Yeah.
I got trapped back there somehow, and so they had retrained, and I thought it was just an accident, you know, that somebody just I parked there, you know, because I was just going home, and it just got to where they all surrounded me and everything. So
Let me ask you this. Are you having any type of episodes? Listen to me. Listen to me. I need you to be honest with me.
no,
Where did people surrounding you last night?
right back there at
Did you say Palm Bluff, Wrightsville? I mean, there's a lot between here and there.
yeah, Pine Bluff. I was going to go like to 425, and where the train yard is and stuff, it was there. There is a gun right there. So I have
Okay. There's a gun there.
I just need a key.
Okay.
And I was trying to go pee, and they kept trying to run me out. They didn't
Okay.
I don't know who they.
What I'm trying to figure out is where you got on the road the wrong way.
I turned around back there. I was trying to exit.
I know I saw where you turned around right here because I had a roller roadblock and somebody hit you head on. You'd be dead.
I know. What happened was last night I got stuck.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Where did you get stuck?
I've been here since last night.
Not here. Where?
Somewhere from here. And I need a bathroom. Really. And I thought I just need a bathroom. That's all I need. I was popped up last night. The cops they had to make people move or something. I got stuck. I don't know who I am, but
You got your ID? Where's your ID?
it's in my purse. I'll go get it.
No, you just stand right here.
They said that. I've seen that somebody got cybercrime or something. I don't know.
Ma'am, I need
Yes, it's my purse.
Come back here. Come back here.
Where's the
It's in her purse somewhere. There's a gun in the center console. So you're coming from Louisiana,
Yes, I'm
going to where?
I know. I was born and raised in Louisiana. I was coming home from Colorado.
Oh, so you're coming from Colorado. What time? When did you leave Colorado?
I got here at 2 a.m.
So you left Colorado, got up here about 2 a.m.
Yes, sir.
All right.
And then remember I went and I was trying to find the exit. I got gas, filled up, was going to go home, and somehow I ended up here. And I think they think that I had something to do with cyber crimes or something.
Okay.
Or hacking my phone. Yeah.
I don't understand either because I'm trying to figure your story out, and it's all broken.
My name is Pam Armstrong. Mike Tubbs knows me.
I don't know him.
He's the sheriff of Bastrop.
Well, I mean, we're in Arkansas. You realize that, right?
Yes.
We're around Little Rock. We're not in Louisiana.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I just need to get home. I need this bathroom.
Okay.
Well,
Well, we got to figure out what's going on because you've been driving the wrong way.
I'm trying to just go. I was trying to go out that way. And
Well, that's what I'm saying. You take any type of medication?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What kind of medication do you take?
I take y'all or hormones.
Okay.
I take melatonin when I need to sleep.
When's the last time you took that?
I take it last night.
Okay.
So broken. I was trying to get out of here like I could get followed.
Who's following you?
Young kids.
Young kids. Were they driving or walking?
Well, they were in their vehicles last night. They've been. I don't know. Everybody says that it's because I'm not crazy. I don't know.
Have you been in any type of psychiatric hospital before?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
And it was over a year ago.
Okay.
I'd lost my job or whatever, and
Did you have a mental breakdown?
no, I actually was by custody that they released me, and then they took me back. And I think it was just a bit so. But anyway, I was in LSU Rehabilitation Hospital. I'm on medication for fine. Never had been fixed all my life. I just had to get really bad.
Okay.
I don't know what I've done to get.
Whoa. What did you just say? You don't know what you did? You've been driving the wrong way for 3 miles.
No,
That's why we're here. Well, that's why we're here, okay? Because you've been driving the wrong way.
Okay.
That's why I did a roller roadblock right there because If you didn't get turned around, I was going to crash into you and send you into them walls. But you got smart enough and turned around right here.
But I was trying to, like, we kept coming. I was trying to make it turn around so I could turn around back here. I am.
You have a cell phone?
So, a problem. I have some problems. My sister knows I'm stuck out here. My husband knows I'm stuck out here.
Where's he?
He's at home. Well, he might be at work now.
In Louisiana?
You know, he worked at Cincinnati at the one from Monroe. I just,
Do you know his phone number, Bob?
yeah.
Where'd you say your pistol was in the center console?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And so I had to conceal carry.
Okay. Did you see your pistol in the center console?
Yeah, he took it back
Okay.
there.
All right.
I had to conceal carry.
All right.
I just I went camping. I mean, I went and drove up peaks and what else did I do? Spent a few days in the home. Just to get away from here.
Let me ask you this: is there anything in your car that's illegal?
I had that. I had that.
You have a little bit of marijuana. Okay.
But I had
When's the last time you smoked any?
probably 2 days ago.
Probably 2 or 3 days ago, or 2 or 3 days ago.
2
Was it 2 or 3 days ago?
2.
2. Okay. Where's that marijuana at?
It's in a little bag.
In your purse?
I don't know. It's in there. It's a little one.
Okay, I'll find it.
It's an orange bag. Orange bag.
Do you take any gummies or anything? You use THC wax or pads?
Yeah.
Okay. Just leave.
We got just a little bit of So anyway, what happened was when our hands flew, I went a bunch of college kids just started taking rain and I was trying to exit,
Mm-hmm.
crossing 425 to go home. And kids were just riding around flying. And everything. So I could breathe now, but
How long have you been staying in your car?
I was at home.
That's okay. How long was your trip?
I took like 3 days, 4 days.
So you've been sleeping in your car for 3 days?
Just coming home. Home. I made it time. Well,
How much you been sleeping?
I slept about 2 o'clock. I could get to sleep. And I thought they would just go away.
So that's about what, 4 or 5
Yeah.
hours of sleep together?
Yeah,
When's the last time we took any of this stuff?
I haven't taken it.
You haven't taken any clonazepam? You haven't taken any?
That's it's
What time? Hey, what time was supper at? I ate at 8 o'clock last night. What time did you eat? Okay, what about hot potato?
I haven't had that.
Just if they should eat it.
Yeah, like I had to take it. Yeah, to bring it. Don't get the first one.
Put your hands on your lap. Hey, Booth.
That's awesome. What?
Right now you're being detained. Do you have anything on your person that can hurt me, stab me, poke me? Okay. Do me a favor, just walk back here, walk on the grass, careful. Okay, back here. Walk back here for me. Okay, I'll talk to you. Right now you're being detained, okay? Watch out for that ant pile, okay? I don't want you to get ants on you. Have a seat right there for me, okay?
Hey, what is going on?
Have a seat right there for me, okay? Put your feet in. Okay. Put your feet in. I'll talk to you in just 1 second, okay? Hey, real quick, you look at her. There's a little pin there. You say? Huh? There's a little pinhole.
They look about normal, but I'm not a DRE. I was more seeing if
They were dilated.